Hey gang, thought I'd show you guys some of the beams that got done while I was snowed in. There's a couple cedar beams. I'll do a little quick tour. There's a cool round window. Nice shower room. Today I did this panel molding right here and these struts here so it could have panels in this built-in, which I did not build. I just put those panels on it. What's in here? Closet with some U-shaped shelves. Here's another beam that got done, cedar. Little project I had today was, see that around the little plate, and I had to notch my casing and back band around this. There's like an 1/8 inch crack. I don't know what they're gonna do with that, but that's what happens in buildings sometimes. Another closet with shelves. Another cool round window. I built those drawers, did not build the shelves. Staying a little late today so I can show you guys this. Oh, there's my telescoping thing for the, that's not exciting. Built all those drawers for that unit. Did not build the shelving unit. There's the master closet again. Didn't really do much in here today at all. It was already done. We'll have to wrap up all my tools tomorrow and be going somewhere else. But I got one more day here. Some tying in stuff. Show you guys the cool shower again. Love that shower. Lots of coolness about that thing. Okay, show you the beams that got done in my cutting room. There's my bench, table saw, mess, and here's the cedar beams. There's a cool Arca stone mantle. Anyways, if you like what you've seen with the carpentry, I have a playlist that's called Carpentry. Go check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I do have a Patreon. I also have Spreadshirt. Thanks for joining me.